In this video, I'll be showing you how you can switch from desktop to mobile mode and also mobile to desktop mode on your DuckDuckGo browser. Simple. So now let's search something and let's do this. So what we are going to do here is we are going to turn on the desktop mode and the mobile mode. So we are on the mobile mode right now. So now let's turn on desktop by tapping on the three dots. You see the arrow there. And you can see, let's scroll and you can see desktop sites here. Let's tap on that and it's going to reload. So good. After reloading, you see how the page looks like now. So this is a desktop mode. So this displays everything on the page. You get it? Everything. And then the mobile mode is going to make it more bigger. So that's it on how you switch between your mobile mode and your desktop mode on your DuckDuckGo browser. If you're on mobile, you can see here, so you can rotate it and see everything much nicer. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.